what will be the remainder when the sum of squares of all the primes less than 30 is divided by 6. So I have to find the remainder when sum of squares of all the prime less than 30 is divided by 9. So what is asked is, I have to write the sum of squares of all the prime number less than 30. So 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and up till 29 square, and I have to divide this by 6, and I have to get the remainder. What is the remainder when this sum is divided by 6? So just take these separate. We know one property of prime numbers: for all primes greater than 3, I can represent all the primes greater than 3 as primes can be represented in this form: 6k plus minus 1. So all the primes greater than 3 can be represented in this form: 6k plus 1. Okay, so primes greater than 3 all are 6. This is 6k minus 1, this is 6k plus 1, and so on. So when I take the square, if I square this prime square will be, this is 36k square plus 1 plus minus 12k, and when I divide this p square by 6, what will be the remainder? 36 will be divisible by 6, 12 will be divisible by 6, I will get 1 as the remainder. So when I divide the squares greater than 3, squares of prime numbers greater than 3 and less than 30, what remainder would I get? 1. Now how many prime numbers are there? I have to just calculate how many prime numbers are there which are greater than 3 and less than 30. So 5 and 7, these are less than 10. Then 11, 13, 17 and 19, 4 prime numbers between 10 to 20, and then 23 and 29, 2 more. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the remainder when all these are divided by 6? Will be 8 divided by 6, because when I divide 5 square by 6, 7 square by 6, what remainder would I get? 1. And adding all these 8 times, what would I get? 8. Now 2 square plus 3 square is 9 plus 4, 13. 13 when divided by 6 give me remainder 1, and 8 divided by 6 give me remainder 2. Sum of remainder is 3. Finally, what remainder would I get? 3. So what will be the remainder when the sum of squares is divided by 6? Correct answer is 3. Option A.